I'm about to show you how you can start adding templates and using them on your Notion workspace completely for free. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So Notion has like a marketplace of templates and you can use a lot of them for free. And they have a lot of different features, so you basically have templates for basically anything. So if you want to access and start using them, all you need to do is go to Notion and click the templates option right here. So basically right here, the Notion community will upload any template, and as you can see, there are a lot of them that are free. So if you go to the top, you can filter them, or you can even use the search text field right here. For example, let's say I want a to-do list. I can search for it and I will have a lot of different options. For example, this one is an advanced to-do list and it's paid, but we have different free options as well. But you can also go to a generic marketplace where you can, for example, let's say you want something for work. You can click this category, you can filter by use case, and search for the one you like the most. In my case, I found this personal finance tracker. Then if I want to use this one, I can click right there. Then you will see some information about it. You can even see the ratings. As you can see, this is used by a lot of people. It has more than 1,000 ratings and an average of almost 5 stars, which is the maximum. So you can either preview or add it to your workspace. I'm gonna add mine, add it to my private workspace, just like this. And now it will start being added. Now I can see it right here on the private tab. So if you click there, you will see all the information of this template and everything you can do. So in this case, this is a finance tracker, but depending on the template you want to use, you will have different features. So as you can see, this template has a lot of different information, but depending on the plan you have, as you can see, for example, right here, there is a limit on the charts you can use. So there are some things you can't see unless you upgrade your plan or you have an upgraded plan already. So in my case, I'm using the free plan, and that's why I don't have access to some of the features of this template. But it's still very useful, and I'm sure you can find a free template that will help you increase your productivity. So let's say I want to delete it. You can just click the 3 dots right here and delete it like this, and you can go and find a different one. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.